Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're going to take a look at Finesse Gloss Enhancer. This is a spray maintenance spray or booster for previously coated cars. Will maintain its gloss, its slickness, and etc. So it's a decent price. $29 for 34 ounces, 16 ounces for $16. So if this is even half decent, that would be a pretty good buy. And it has simple application. Either spray into a microfiber towel, or I'm going to use a microfiber applicator. Follow up immediately, working one panel at a time from top to bottom with a microfiber towel, a dry one, to buff to perfection. Immediately, what I feel is slickness. Maybe the first person view here will give you an idea of how easy it is to use. It is user friendly, it does have a nice scent to it. It's a decent experience using it. We're going to see how it holds up and how it boosts gloss and slickness on a panel. But this vehicle is coated, and we're going to use it to top and guard the coating as it heads out into the world and sees what Mother Nature has to dish up. The gloss enhancer can be used on all external panels that have been previously coated, including headlights, taillights, plastic trim, really any trim at all, glass, and even wheels and calipers. The wiper cowl is plastic, has been coated, and we're going to maintain it with the Finesse Gloss Boost. It does not take long to get around a vehicle of this size. And guys, white, silver, champagne colors, grays, it takes a little bit extra effort and a special product to get them to stand out. And this white is nice and bright. Over to the test panel, and you can absolutely use this as a standalone if you wish. If you're going to do so, follow this procedure, and that's proper prep. Wash, decon, clay, iron remover, polish, even if it's just a polish cleaner. Hopefully the darker panel and the shop lights will give you a better view of how easy it is to use. Spray into an applicator or a towel, spread it out. It doesn't matter how you put it on the panel. It doesn't care as long as you spread it out and coat the panel evenly. First person view, I'll go from a crisscross pattern to circular motions like you would apply a wax. And again, it doesn't matter how you get it on there. Just get it on evenly. Grab your microfiber towel and buff to perfection. And then simply let it cure. This is SiO2. Best to let it cure as long as possible before getting it wet, introducing it to rainfall, free-flowing water, and that means overnight or 24 hours would be better. When you come back the next day, it does feel a lot slicker. And there's a little bit of a boost in gloss, as I'll show you with the meter here. Nothing crazy, but anything over 90 units is great eye candy. The slickness I can kind of show you and demonstrate with these blocks. Let me take the masking tape off, and you'll see these blocks slide around the affected area, the protected area, as we tilt the panel on just the slightest degree. Outside we go, and it does give the area a nice dark rich look where you apply it, so the jetting effect is visible. When it comes to water behavior, yeah, I mean, you could tell where it's protected. Nothing really special when it comes to contact angle. But this is meant to be a topper for a coating, so working with a team with a coating, you're going to get a killer water behavior effect to it, so to speak. Very easy to dry with forced air when you top a coating with this. Durability, chemical resistance, I'm not expecting a whole lot from it. It's SiO2, so it can deal with a little bit of what Mother Nature can throw at it, but it is a sacrificial layer to a coating as it cures and as it ages. So maybe apply every 1 to 3 months. So this is what it looks like after the 10 wash test. There is a little bit of protection still there. Again, I didn't expect a whole lot when it comes to durability. This is a booster for a coating. You could still dry it very easily with forced air. Something very interesting and something to chew on as you wear away the topper and get to the coating. Gloss increases. So let's talk about pros and cons as we do on the channel. The pros, it's a nice user experience, easy to use. The price is good, nice scent. Durability and gloss maybe come into question. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Catch you in the next video.